Hi, today I'm cooking a beef chuck roast. And what I do is take the roast. I'm not going to brown it. I'm just going to place it in a roaster. And add some beefy onion Lipton soup to it. Just going to do 1 pack. I'm going to add some seasoning blend into it. Along with some minced onion. I'm sorry, minced garlic. We're going to bake this on 350 for an hour, and then we're going to come back and add some peeled baby carrots and potatoes to it. That's going to be our meal. Also, I'm adding some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, just a little Tony's Creole because that beefy onion Lipton soup is actually salty. Just a little. And that's it. 350 for 1 hour. Then we'll come back and add our vegetables, and we'll let it cook another hour and we'll be done. Okay, so here's the finished product. Sorry I didn't get a chance to come back and show you when I added the potatoes, but here's what it looks like.